Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable mic in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. So the first way is by clicking on the three dots over here and go to settings. And then you'll be able to see various options to the left hand side. So you're going to click on devices, and within the devices tab, you'll be able to see audio, and you'll be able to see your microphone over here. So you can simply select the microphone that you want to use, or if you don't want to use, you can simply turn that off. Now let's say you are within a meeting. So let's say I'm going to join this meeting. And once you are joining the meeting, you'll be redirected to a window that would ask you if you want the external mic. So you're going to simply toggle it off in order to mute the mic. Right now you can see that the mic has been muted. Then you're going to click on join now, and you'll be able to see that you have joined the meeting with a muted mic. Now let's say that you are within the meeting and then you want to mute it. Then you can simply click on this mic icon, and you'll be able to see a cross icon over the mic. That means that the mic has been muted. So those were some of the few methods how you can mute your mic on Microsoft Teams. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.